What's up, guys? Welcome back to DZR. Today we're working on Jacob's S10 here. It is Mercedes diesel swap. This is the 300D motor, right?
Yeah.
So it's inline. What?
The OM617.
OM617. So it is five-cylinder inline turbo diesel out of obviously Mercedes 300D. We're gonna hook up today. We need to basically pull the transmission out real quick, put in the throwout bearing in it. I believe the throwout bearing is from a Mustang, but Jacob kind of knows all the details on this. It's his build. So I'll let him take it away.
So it's all the clutch hydraulics from an 07 Mustang GT. So this truck's all kinds of assed up. It's got a 5-cylinder Mercedes diesel in it. It's got a Ford Ranger radiator. It's got pusher fans from a Transit van. It's got an EV3500 out of a 02 Silverado, and it's got a big block flywheel and clutch with a 6.5 diesel high torque starter. It's got everything on it, and now it's getting to get even crazier with a Mustang hydraulic system. So,
it is a parts store worst nightmare.
yes. Yeah, that's gonna be great.
Rocky, spotting a wild Jacob here in his natural habitat up under a fucking shitbox, mate. Let's get it all hooked up there. We're gonna get like 16 fucking turbos on this thing, mate. It's gonna be the fucking skid shit, yeah.
Burnout machine.
You know, yeah, brother.
Start the socket on there backwards.
That's hot. Look at that ass tank. It's full of ass.
I need a bigger socket.
That's what she said. Oh.
The 16?
Needs to be
Oh,
bigger.
17.
You're not big enough, Jacob.
I'll bring you both.
Oh,
That's
what
a
the
16, but bring me a wrench.
What is that?
Not a socket.
fuck? Part of the something to the flux capacitor.
Okay.
It capacitates the flux in here, and then your mom comes to suck my wiener. That's how it works.
Oh, unhook the battery.
Suck my dick.
I can't go any lower. The starter lead
Lick my
has not hit the cross member. And I would like to
Why
not
is
catch
it
this
like
thing
an
on
H?
fire.
I have a fire extinguisher, don't worry. Having fun?
Oh yeah. So much fun. Oh my god. What the fuck is this dildo hanging on? Son of a whore.
What do you mean?
There's just this big black cock. Just hanging off of there. I don't know what the fuck it
I don't
goes.
know if I'll call that big, but
I mean, it's long. Long schlong silvers, huh? It's got butthole connectors in here.
love
for no
eating
good
that.
reason.
Love eating that long schlong silvers.
Actually, never eaten that.
There's also not any around here.
There's one in Raleigh.
Oh yeah, there is.
Oh, now I see why you wanted the battery out of the way.
Well, that, and so it doesn't try to start itself by accidentally touching.
Boom tube.
Yeah,
Literal
It is.
fucking boom tube.
that is the whole exhaust system right there.
We're about to make it better.
Someone go down there and hold the wrench, or hold this, and turn that or something.
Okay.
I'll let you.
You got
Would you like to introduce yourselves?
I'm on this.
Okay.
Stick it right in the floor.
Oh, I think it's the same size too.
Yeah, you know, you just shove her in there like I did to your mom last night, and it's ready to rip. She's ready to go there, son.
Really? Oh, parts.
We're modifying your truck up
Oh
here.
shit! It's gonna blow up.
It's meant to be a tight fit, dummy.
So is your mom, but this is ridiculous.
So you said a pink wire to a red wire?
How big is this bit?
It turns to red when it's up top, but the red wire runs all the way down to the fans.
Jacob, how big is this shit?
Oh yeah, I forgot I only had 2 bell housing bolts on this thing in.
First one to grab, deep socket. Right size.
Socket.
You need, oh.
About to sound like a Ferrari. Actually, it's actually
Alright.
about to sound like.
You got her on there?
Yep. Keep going.
This is a domestic that identifies as a foreign.
Yeah, just hold it still.
That's tight enough. She ain't going up.
On there.
I think I need to tighten her up a little more. She ain't going. I ain't got that no more. Nicki Minaj, your mother. Mackenzie's mother,
Send it.
and your grandma.
Here, can you hold this?
So who's fault? Autism?
Oh, transmission.
Yep. All right. Hand me a 10.
I think we've contributed our part.
Yeah. Oh, I
Hey.
thought I heard a cat screaming. It's a child.
Hey.
I got one tiny whip and no one out.
Having fun playing with the dongle.
Yeah. This shouldn't be tight at all. Never mind. The amount of times I've had this transmission now, it took me 3 weekends to try to bleed this thing and it still wouldn't bleed, so that's why we are doing it this way.
Your mom's bleeding. I'm a wiener.
You decided to do it at that time of the month.
Oh yeah, I gotta get the Red Wings, man.
That's cool.
Is it really all coming down in there?
Hey, Jacob.
What?
It is a German motor.
Yeah. Jesus, gas chamber.
Look at the engine bay just billowing smoke out of it. That ain't cheap up there, bud.
Thank you, sir.
But if it in there, it's exactly like I was hoping it to.
Nice. You just gotta modify.
Modify the line.
So not only is it a part from every vehicle known to man, it's also modified parts from every vehicle known to man.
Yeah.
Man. Beep, beep, I fucked your mom.
Alright, horse run.
That's why I get all the pushing. Cause I'm
Hey, I had a funny idea.
What you got?
Sir! Sir!
What?
Can you be a little louder?
What?
Can you be a little louder? I can still hear my thoughts. Uh-oh. He's done.
Make sure you get that on camera.
Oh, yeah. Oh, she done? Finally done being loud?
It's ready for Bondo.
Cool.
Or whatever body filler they're gonna use.
Probably good old Bondo.
Probably. But that bitch crack.
Ooh, I got it.
Yeah? Plus, shut
Hey.
up, whore.
Hey, you watch your mouth.
You shut your mouth when you talk to me, whore.
Sir, don't step on the window.
I stopped when I heard it go. Don't.
Have you done anything to the Subaru? Or is it just a Subaru?
It's the headlights. I hit a deer, so you know that's nice. It's EJ20 swapped, so JDM EJ20, but it's not fast. There's the other one.
Oh, yeah?
But yeah, other than that, nothing really exhaust. I want to lift it and supercharge it, but that's money I don't have. I'd love to fix this fucking fender. You crazy goose. This fender. I had a set WRX fenders, the wide body ones, like the factory ones, but they, yeah, a landlord of mine stole that and like $5 grand worth of my shit. So that's cool. Bro, what the fuck? Get that shit off of my windshield. You put that on there. You're cleaning that shit up. You're cleaning. I'm gonna take that fucking whole thing and just all over the taco.
Oh, man. You know your back windshield looks nice, too.
Clean your fucking nut off my car. How much is a bag of these pine shavings?
Like,
$7.
So nothing
Yeah.
compared to the other shit.
The oil dry is literally half of what those things are
For like 3 times the price.
for like $15.
Yeah, fuck that. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard and they're like, it's better than yours. Hey, read titties all day. Look at them titties.
here we have Random Brennan learning technology.
We have technology.
Where's these buttons, you?
We have a fancy transmission jack, and yet this is how we still do it.
Because this transmission has to twist in here, that's why.
Huh?
Because I have to twist this transmission in there. That's why.
Okay.
Twist it. Alright, now we just need to wiggle it around. Wiggle, spin the tail shaft. Just spawn it in.
Alright, we just had dinner. Where we at?
Got the transmission back in. Made lines. Now I'm on the quest to see if this master cylinder is the same bore size as the STIM one, because I'm looking on the outside and I'm like, it's pretty close.
Legs.
You having a good time over there?
Yeah, he is.
I gotta do I have his laugh down pat? Yeah.
Yeah,
Sound like
that's
Peter
true.
Griffin.
Yeah. Or what's that one guy? Seth Rogen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pull on that rod really hard. I can't. Here, you pull.
Isn't moving.
It's supposed to pop out of there. Well, what?
Brennan.
I'm watching Facebook Reels, man.
I think he's drunk.
Dang, I'm
This
wet.
is me doing it.
This is you as you're making it up as you go. That's cool.
Because I
Damn, that's a big ass mom.
can't weld that because
Oh.
that will melt
Where?
the seals in it. What?
Oh, that's not that big. That's pretty.
I can't weld that because not only is it cast iron, it's I'll melt the seals in the slate.
Dude, I've seen moss like. It's been some years though. I haven't seen a big one in a long time. I was like a kid, man.
I like touching it.
What?
Haven't seen a big one since you were a kid.
Nope. Back when my uncle did that to me.
There he goes. Okay, he's gone. Now,
Oh god.
what lure did I miss over here?
You just farted on my wiener. Okay, that's enough boots.
Ah! Anyway. This is sketchy.
Back up, guys. You
Watch
never
your
know.
paws, jaws, and balls.
Found it.
Very anticlimactic.
We're quickly losing hope and help.
Yeah, they're all dropping like flies. Trying to make some jam nuts going on.
It is officially very dark.
Going to be the throttle. It's going to be ugly, but it'll work for now. For
It's kind
driving
of the whole
around.
theme for this engine bay.
What?
It's kind of the whole theme for this engine bay.
Yeah.
But yeah, it works like this. Oh, oh, oh.
Pretty solid. Oh, still wait though.
JB Weld Master. And by a few minutes, you mean tomorrow. Yay.
I'm not waiting
Tomorrow, yay.
Yeah, so turn it off and put that other turbo on there because I think that one just hit the bed.